If you watch the news or even listen to your friends, you probably have a lot of questions right now. Like, what am I going to do? Will my business survive this? What will all of this look like in 6 months from now? Should I be building business credit for my business during these times? And are the banks even open? Listen, entrepreneurship isn't easy, even when the economy is good. However, as history has shown us, at any time of a downturn, there's massive opportunity. There's a reason to be positive, and there's an opportunity to help people rise up and soar in their businesses. I'm Tasha Douglas, and for the past few years, I've been preparing for what's happening right now by building business credit for my businesses. I've helped thousands of other business owners do the same, and if you're a business owner today, the top priority is ensuring that you make the right choices right now, that you're investing your time, money, and resources where you should. The next months ahead will be historic, and right now, it'll be dependent upon the choices that you make for your businesses. I've put everything together for you to be successful, from how to set up your business entity, your SIC codes for high limit approvals, where to apply, how to complete your funding applications, the systems you need, the strategy, the tactics, and the mindset that's going to help you be able to not only just survive, but to thrive. Listen, if you're a business owner right now and you want to future-proof yourself, your family, and your businesses, it's time to learn how to build business credit for your businesses. Question: how would you use $250,000 in business credit? What business activities would you be conducting right now? With that approved amount, you can start any business you want. You can do marketing for any business you choose. You can purchase real estate. You can purchase commercial vehicles, and the list goes on and on and on. Listen, I'm sharing this with you because I need you to see that when you set your business foundation up correctly, you have check writing privileges, meaning you can pull cash off your lines and use it any way you see fit over and over and over again. Doesn't matter if the market is up, doesn't matter if the market is down. Your accounts never close. In fact, they increase over time. The good thing about business credit, you can have many of these approvals. And the real power of business credit is when you add divisions to 10x your results higher. Imagine 10 divisions at $250,000 each. Add that up and you just raised the bar on what your business can accomplish in a matter of weeks. The possibilities are endless. Business credit is extremely powerful. I use it for all of my real estate transactions, down payments, closing costs, rehab costs, etc., you name it. So, what is business credit and why do you need it? Business credit is borrowed funds from the banks that will be issued directly to your INC, C Corp, S Corp, LLC, or your nonprofit businesses. You will use that business credit to purchase products or services or leverage other business opportunities that will turn into a profit to repay the bank back at a future date. You need business credit for the following reasons. Number one, to maximize your financing options. Number two, to negotiate better terms. Negotiate your credit limits, your interest rates, your monthly payments. Yes, you have power. When you have business credit, you can negotiate your terms. Number three, make it easier for creditors to access your company's overall credit worthiness. Number four, limit your personal liabilities. You're shielded from your business debts. Number five, credibility for your company. Number six, extend your company's cash flow. Number seven, shield your business from unseen business needs. And most importantly, business credit can help protect your business against the unknown and the unforeseen situations such as the coronavirus. With business credit, you're able to continue to move forward without any distractions. Listen, most people self-fund their businesses, meaning they pull cash from their personal bank accounts, their personal cash flow, their personal credit scores, which can only go so far. With business credit, you can maximize your financing options and minimize the dependence on your personal credit and funds. Who is this service for? For business owners that operate an LLC, C Corp, S Corp, or nonprofit entity. For business owners with no business credit. For business owners who are stuck in the process. For business owners who need level 3 financing. For business owners with a product or service that need to be launched or operations need to be expanded. When is the best time to build business credit? The time to build is now, right now, more than ever. You need to be building business credit for your businesses. And if you don't have the time, we can establish the business lines for you with our Done For You business line service. It doesn't matter if your business has just started or you've been in business for years. We can help you. If you have questions regarding our services, please contact us. Contact details are listed underneath this video. And last thing, why should you order this service? Simply put, business credit can help recession-proof your businesses. Listen, I look forward to working with you. Have a great day.